In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your meeting time in Calendly. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to the platform, knowing how to efficiently manage and reschedule meetings is a valuable skill. We'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you can adjust your Calendly schedule with ease. Start by navigating to the Calendly homepage. This is where you will find all the options necessary to manage your meetings. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll notice a menu bar where you can find the Meetings tab. Clicking on this will lead you to a list of your scheduled events. When you see the list of meetings you have scheduled, click on Meeting Details for the specific event you wish to reschedule. This action will open up the detailed view of your meeting, providing all the necessary information related to that particular event. Once inside the meeting details, look for the option labeled Reschedule and give it a click. This will guide you to a new page where you have the opportunity to change the details of your meeting. You'll immediately see the current date and time options for the meeting. If you're planning to keep the meeting on the same date, simply click on the existing date. Next, it's time to adjust the meeting time. After selecting the date, you'll be presented with available time slots. Choose your desired time that fits best into your schedule. Make sure to take note of any time zone differences, especially if you're scheduling across multiple regions. After selecting the new time, click Next to proceed. This brings you to a prompt where you'll need to enter a reason for the change. While this step may not seem crucial, providing a clear and concise reason can be beneficial, especially if you're coordinating with other participants. It maintains transparency and helps avoid confusion later on. Finally, once you've entered your reason for rescheduling, all that's left is to click Update Event. And there you have it. Your meeting time has been successfully updated. Make sure to double-check the changes to ensure everything aligns with your schedule. Rescheduling with Calendly is designed to be intuitive and hassle-free, providing you with flexibility in managing your appointments. Remember, clear communication with your meeting attendees is key when adjustments are necessary, and Calendly makes this process smooth and straightforward. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes managing your appointments just a little bit easier. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling.